homemade cheese and herb flatbreads. Take 360 grams, 1.5 cups of room temperature kefir or buttermilk. Add 5 grams, 1 troy pound of salt. Add 8 grams, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Gradually add 550 to 580 grams, about 4.5 to 4 3/4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes, either by hand or using a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook. Cover the dough with plastic wrap, place it in a plastic bag, and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes at room temperature. Meanwhile, prepare the filling. I'm using fresh parsley, dill, green onions, spinach, mozzarella, softened butter, salt, and black pepper. Transfer the dough to your work surface and divide it into 8 to 9 equal portions. Roll each piece into a circle, keeping them as even in size as possible. Lightly brush each dough circle with vegetable oil. Place the filling in the center, bring the edges together, and pinch them close to seal. Gently flatten the dough with your hands, stretching it into a flatbread, then lightly roll it out with a rolling pin if needed.
Cook the flatbreads on a well-heated dry skillet over medium heat until golden brown on both sides. Once they puff up, they're ready.
Brush the hot flatbreads generously with melted butter and serve warm. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, for your wonderful comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Your support means the world to me and helps my little channel grow every single day. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy your meal.